TTT round 2, thinking 3, 2, 1, go.
I have just a runner.
That's all you need.
James is, or this guy's coming. Add one more.
Did someone not give me their card?
We established that Logan didn't.
Well,
No. Yeah, I did.
someone not give her the card?
Give us something to spin, right?
Luke, give another pistol or something.
I don't got it.
Spread out, come on, let's go.
No! No one's a terrorist now. Yeah, no one's a terrorist. Chill.
Homeland Security
Innocent till proven guilty in a court of law.
Homeland Security thinks I'm a terrorist.
Well, because I want to grab 2 cards of terrorist stamps. Oh, shit! What do I do? See, no. Oh, it's okay. Wait for secret weapon. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Cody, what are you doing?
That was incredible.
I don't like that. Why did you run back into the staging?
Hey, heads up, eyes closed.
Hurry up, Cody, come on.
Jesus.
Heads down, eyes closed, right arm out into a fist. Thumbs up if you are a red card. Red card only, thumbs up only, look up.
Fuck you guys.
I don't want this.
Yeah, I'm cool too. Do some stuff.
Alright,
Moose, I'm gonna shoot you.
heads down, arms down, touch your nose. Hands.
That hurts, I got shot there earlier.
Come on, you guys.
Where did James's chair go? James, where did your chair go? Not on me. What is that? Oh my gosh.
Nine,
What I have right now.
8,
Anybody have steel 2? Anybody have steel
6, 5, 4,
Trust circle.
What?
CO2?
CO2?
Yeah, like on you?
Yeah. You need one?
Yeah,
Yes.
he needs one.
Yeah.
Aw, look
Trust
at
you
that. Yeah, I wouldn't go that far.
I just don't.
Is your mag in?
That's no selfie!
Man, I'm fucking idiot. So I need to do
All right, I took out like 3 of them.
The second we started shooting, we're like, hey, Pat, scatter!
No.
Let's go back in the helipad.
You're a terrorist, right? Are you?
British
Right, bang kill! You're dead.
I already killed him.
Yeah, he's dead.
You're a terrorist. He's a terrorist. So you go all the way to the black net and you're dead. All right, let's fuck him up. Dude, you're both terrorists. What the fuck? Hey, spread it out. Let's go take them out. I killed 3 of them off the get-go. We just killed the 4th one.
Sorry, I don't have a mask, so I want to be less ballsy.
That's fine. Mosque is clear. Mosque and police station are clear. Coffee house is clear. I got shadow movement over there though. Oh, hello. Purple room. Purple room. Purple room. Hey! Get him! Get her! Great shit! Ready? Fake out! Oh no! Yep. All right, hold on. Logan, we haven't killed Logan yet. And there's one in the purple room. I know there's one in the purple room.
The other one's in the purple room.
In the breaching room?
Yep.
All right. Let's get purple room guy first. There's only one way into that. Hurry up, come on, let's go. Franco! Oh, no! That was awesome! Wow!
Open combat, yeah!
Cody was he was at me. I was like,
Are we doing one more? Okay. Didn't expect that one, did you?
I was a deputy. I was just like waiting to. Because there was a good amount of people there, so I was expecting.
No one knew I had this with me. If anyone wants to shoot a Scorpion Evo, they can. Oh, dude, that's fucking awesome. Sorry! Huh? On the ricochet? Direct,
No, you
direct fire?
No, directly.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
You good? Yeah, it's your turn. Dump your ammo. Don't forget to fill your air tanks, gentlemen. This shit is not free.
I got it.
Woo! That was fun. That last round, I waited till they walked away from my MED and I just lit them up. Y'all didn't suspect a thing me sitting in that chair. Not one thing. And the rest of the, oh, wow, that was cool.
All right, players. If you want to buy anything, do it now.
I know a couple guys want to do HK. Yeah, three. Yeah, that 3 is where it should go. Yep. Yeah, if it goes over 3, we got a problem. Huh? Oh, ago when I was.
But it's all right. Batteries on it, you're right.
Oh, battery's out. Yep. Just cased it in this pouch. Don't forget. Yeah, I brought my rifle. I only had one mag for the pistol, and I figured out besides the pistol, you guys won't think I have it with me.
Oh no, I knew you had extra stuff.
What's he got? Dang it! No, I lost that piece. Are you kidding?
What'd you lose?
My frickin' front sling mount. Oh no! It's got a freaking tag on it too. Chrono tag. Damn. Stupid little part. It is not my day.
I heard, I saw Tony. I was like, oh crap. He's for shooting at me first, and everyone around was like shocking. I was like, I don't know something. I'm so sorry. I was like, I don't know what's going on. And I was just talking, I was like,
Oh yeah, I took that guy out. I was even worried about you because they told me you were in the reaching room. Alright, you guys go get him. I'm so mad about these freaking pistols.
I used them right for 2 rounds, and then it was different people's rifles. I used the carbine that was
Oh, I smell awful. Oh yeah. That one is really good. Oh my god. Is it bad?
Oh yeah.
No way. Yeah, somebody get a picture of it. Oh, damn.
You got it in the hand? I mean, it hurt.
Tony, your pistol hurts.
Yeah, I know it does. I just put a make believe bucking in it. That's why. I think I'll shoot straight as an arrow for about 3/4 of the field too. I brushed it off. I topped it off on gas right before. I figured no one knew I had it because I was having pistol problems all day. I'm like, I'll just bring the rifle out. No, and if I get the terrorist card, I'll shoot my weapon. If I get asked where my card is, so I'll just like, I'm getting my cards in my dump pouch. Bang, kill.
I'll be extra.
That was my plan, and then I'm like, you know what? The second you guys got out a minute, there's my card. Yes, good. They turned around. I was missing this. That's why I